Understanding and adhering to various dress codes can be a real challenge. The last thing you want is to show up underdressed or overdressed. Striking the right balance between looking professional and stylish is a common struggle. I will walk you through dress codes from the most relaxed casual to the most formal black tie. Knowing the differences between these dress codes will help you nail each look with confidence. The devil is in the details, whether it's choosing the right accessories or mastering the art of layering. So, let's get straight into it. First up, we have the casual dress code, which is the most relaxed form of attire. Jennifer Lawrence can often be spotted in casual wear during shopping trips, casual lunches, or travel days. Casual attire allows for comfortable and informal clothing while still looking neat and put together. It's suitable for a wide range of everyday activities and social settings. Women can wear t-shirts, blouses, casual tops, or sweaters paired with jeans, casual skirts, shorts, or leggings. For footwear, choose flats, sneakers, sandals, or casual boots. Simple jewelry, scarves, or hats can add a touch of style. Chris Hemsworth, often seen in casual attire during his everyday activities such as running errands, casual outings, or relaxing with family, embodies a laid-back yet stylish appearance. Men can wear t-shirts, polo shirts, casual button-down shirts, or sweaters, paired with jeans, chinos, khakis, or shorts. Suitable footwear includes sneakers, loafers, boat shoes, or sandals. Minimal accessories such as watches, casual belts, or hats are appropriate. Casual outfits are perfect for casual Fridays at work, grocery shopping, picnics, casual dinners with friends, or non-formal concerts. Remember, casual doesn't mean frumpy. You can still look stylish and put together, even when you are taking out the trash. Dress codes can be tricky to navigate, but knowing the right attire for the right occasion can make all the difference. I'm Martina, and if you like content like this, please subscribe. The beach formal dress code is intended for events taking place on or near a beach where the setting is elegant, but the attire needs to be suitable for warm weather and sandy conditions. It combines elements of formal wear with the comfort and practicality required for a beach environment. You can follow Blake's lively style for inspiration. When heading for a summer vacation, make sure to pack elegant sundresses, maxi dresses, or dressy separates made from lightweight, breathable fabrics. Dressy skirts or tailored pants paired with dressy sandals, wedges, or flats that are easy to walk in on sand are perfect. Don't forget sun hats, simple jewelry, and sunglasses. A light shawl or wrap might be appropriate for evening events. Leonardo DiCaprio often wears beach formal attire at celebrity beach weddings and upscale beachside charity events, blending sophistication with comfort. For men, pack lightweight linen or cotton shirts, preferably in lighter colors, and consider including a blazer made from breathable fabric. Dress pants, chinos, or, if appropriate for the event, dress shorts are ideal. Add loafers, boat shoes, or dress sandals. Minimal accessories, such as a dress watch and possibly a light scarf or pocket square, complete the look. Packed like this, you will be ready for beach weddings, resort dinners, destination weddings, or formal beach parties. Next up is business casual, a popular choice for many workplaces. It's all about looking professional yet comfortable. Meghan Markle often opts for business casual attire at charity visits, panel discussions, and less formal engagements, mixing professional and approachable styles. Women can choose tailored pants or skirts with blouses, or dresses that are not too formal. Closed-toe shoes or loafers are a great choice for both men and women. Add professional jewelry, a medium-sized handbag, and a simple stylish watch. For men, think dress slacks or chinos paired with a button-down shirt or a polo. You can add a blazer if you want to elevate the look, but ties are optional. A belt that matches the shoes, a casual yet professional watch, and a stylish briefcase would complement the look. Chris Evans can be seen dressed like this during casual meetings, press conferences, or daytime events. Business casual is perfect for everyday office wear, casual client meetings, and informal networking events. Next up, we have smart casual. This is a step up from business casual, blending professional elements with a touch of personal style. You can mix casual pieces with more refined items like blazers or heels. Emulate Emma Watson during book launches, charity events, or press interviews to get the look. For women, consider fashionable yet professional dresses or skirts paired with trendy blouses or blazers. Stylish flats, loafers, or heels can complete the look. Accessorize with fashionable jewelry, a scarf, a medium-sized handbag, and sunglasses. Ryan Reynolds is frequently spotted in smart casual attire at movie press tours, daytime talk shows, and casual industry events, showcasing a stylish yet relaxed look. Men can wear dress pants or chinos with a stylish shirt, and a blazer adds a nice touch. Accessorize with a belt that matches the shoes, a fashionable watch, and sunglasses. Smart casual is great for after-work events, dinner parties, and semi-formal gatherings where you want to look polished yet relaxed. Moving on to business formal. This is the go-to dress code for corporate settings and important business meetings. Barack Obama typically wore business formal attire during his presidency, especially at official meetings, state dinners, and international summits. Men should wear dark suits with a dress shirt and a conservative tie. Polished dress shoes are a must. Add subtle, professional cufflinks, belt, and dress watch. For women, a tailored suit or a professional dress works well. Heels or smart flats complete the ensemble. Accessorize with pearls, simple gold or silver pieces jewelry, structured medium-size handbag, and elegant watch. Amal Clooney can often be spotted wearing business formal at court appearances or high-profile legal meetings. Business formal is ideal for high-level meetings, presentations, and corporate events where making a strong professional impression is key. For cocktail attire, opt for a stylish dress or a suit with a touch of flair. This dress code is common for evening events and parties, striking a balance between formal and fun. Jennifer Aniston is known for her chic cocktail attire at Hollywood parties, film premieres, and award show after-parties. Women can choose cocktail dresses that are elegant yet not too extravagant. Stylish heels or dress shoes complete the look. Statement jewelry, clutch bag, and hair accessories are perfect for the occasion. Men should go for a dark suit and tie, or a dressy blazer with slacks like Ryan Gosling award show after-parties. Necktie, pocket square cufflinks, and dress watch will complete the look. Cocktail attire is perfect for evening parties, weddings, and upscale social events where you want to look sophisticated and stylish. Now, let's talk about black tie optional. This dress code gives you the choice to dress up formally without the full commitment of black tie. Catherine, the Princess of Wales, is frequently seen in black tie optional attire at charity galas, royal receptions, and formal state dinners, where she combines elegance with a touch of personal style. Women can choose elegant dresses or formal separates. Heels are typically preferred, but classy flats are also an option. Opt for elegant jewelry with a statement piece like a bold necklace or earrings. Men, like Prince William, can wear a dark suit with a white dress shirt and a bow tie or regular tie, but a tuxedo is also acceptable. Accessorize with gold or silver cufflinks, a pocket square coordinated with the tie, and a dress watch. Shoes should be dark brown or black. Black tie optional is great for formal dinners, weddings, and galas where the hosts want to keep the event classy but not too rigid. And finally, black tie calls for formal gowns and tuxedos. This is the epitome of formal evening wear, reserved for the most special occasions. George Clooney often dons black tie attire at prestigious events such as the Oscars, Golden Globes, and the Cannes Film Festival. Men should wear a tuxedo with a black bow tie, a formal white shirt, and black patent leather shoes. Accessorize with gold or silver cufflinks, a pocket square, and a simple, elegant pocket watch. Women can take inspiration from Angelina Jolie at the Cannes Film Festival and opt for floor-length gowns or sophisticated cocktail dresses with a clutch bag. Elegant heels and jewelry featuring diamonds, pearls, or fine gemstones complete the look. Evening gloves and a shawl or wrap can add elegance and warmth. Black tie is perfect for galas, formal weddings, and red carpet events where you want to make a lasting impression. To make it even easier for you, here is a list of the most common occasions by dress code. Casual for lazy days and fun like Friday at work, picnic, concert, grocery shopping. Business casual for everyday occasions like networking event, everyday office wear, casual client meetings. Smart casual when you need a little dress up for family gathering, meeting future in-laws, theater outings, and art exhibition. Beach formal for elegant occasions and holiday resorts like beach weddings, resort dinners, destination weddings. Cocktail attire for graduation parties, cocktail parties, semi-formal weddings, holiday parties. Business formal for looking smart at job interviews, corporate offices, important business meetings. Black tie optional for formal dinner parties, formal awards ceremonies, and engagement parties. And finally, black tie for formal weddings, galas or charity events, black tie receptions, opera or formal theater events, state dinners or diplomatic events, high society balls, corporate gala dinners, funerals, or memorial services. From casual to black tie, you now have the ultimate guide to decoding dress codes. Remember, the key is to feel confident and comfortable in whatever you wear. Each dress code has its own unique requirements, and dressing appropriately shows respect for the event and the hosts. When in doubt, it's always better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed. I hope you found this guide helpful in demystifying dress codes. Now, it's your turn. Share your own dress code experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fashion-related content. Be stylish and stay classy. Manners matters.